To clean the needles and the K-cup drain on a Chulux single-serve coffee maker, Chulux recommends a mixture of water and citric acid. Mix 1 tablespoon of citric acid to 12 ounces of water and stir till dissolved. Pour the mixture into the water reservoir. Make sure there isn't a K-cup in the brewer. Put a large over 12-ounce mug or cup on the drip tray. Close the lid and press brew. Empty and replace the cup. Pour 12 ounces of water only into the water reservoir and press brew. Repeat a couple times to rinse the unit. You can also use a K-cup cleaning pod. Follow the manufacturer's instructions.